Alright guys, so today we're going to show you how to jumpstart a dead battery on a Porsche Cayman or Porsche Boxster. So this would be 986 Boxster or 987 Cayman or Boxster. And the scenario here is, we'll give a scenario for you. We're going to flip you around. Maybe. We're going to flip you around. We're going to show you here what we want. So let's give you a scenario. We have two ways to get in the car, right? We have these controls right here at the floorboard, at the sill, to open the rear trunk and the front trunk. And then if that doesn't work, we have our main option here, which is the key, right? You could open either one that way or lock it. But if the battery is dead in the car, all those take power, right? Like, you're not going to be able to just magically hit the button with no power. And there we are. So we have one other option to go for you here. You will need a jump pack. You will need either a battery with some jumper cables or another vehicle to do this. Okay, so we're on the driver's side footwell, and you can see here, here's our dead man's pedal. Here's our brake pedal right here. We're to the left of it. We have this cover we're going to pull off. Under that cover, we have a little fuse holder, a little fuse, red fuse deal. And where's our fuse puller at? Somebody took the fuse puller out. Oh, cute. All right, let's grab one of those. Okay, so we got a pair of needle nose here. We're just going to go up into here. We're going to pull our red fuse holder out like so. If you can see, on the sides of this, there's actually little metal prongs. So what that's going to allow you to do, that's going to let you come in here with your little jump pack leads, anything like that, and clamp them from side to side right onto that metal. Okay, so we've done that. Now, you're saying, well, my leads aren't long enough to reach, right? They're what metal? Well, they are long enough to reach the seat track, the bolt in the seat track. You clamp it on there. If you get it on there, holy crap, right? The seat track, if you have long enough leads, which you probably don't, that's using actual jumper cables, you could come back to here, to the door latch. You could also go up in here to this guy here and clamp it on there for the negative, of course. And that'll get you all options for that. Yes, I mean, there it is. Not really complex, but if you don't know that, you're going to have a real problem getting into that car. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. We'll be back in another video, hopefully tomorrow. That'll be it. See you later.